In this video, we will see how to play YouTube in the background on Samsung Tab A9 and A9 Plus 5G, just like this. So first of all, we need to go to Samsung Internet Browser by clicking on this icon and then search for YouTube. Click on it. Now play the video that you like.
Hello everyone, in today's video
Pause it. Click on the top right section, the three lines. Now click on Settings. After then, search Background Play. Now click on it and then turn it on. Now play the video.
I'm going to answer your question. Yes,
Click on Home button. Now if you swipe down, you will see the video playing in the background.
No option of NFC payment.
If you pause it,
So
you can pause it just like this, and if you want to play,
if you do like,
click on it again.
Like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.
So that's how you can play YouTube in background on Samsung Tab A9 and A9 Plus 5G. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.